Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys a slightly different video from my usual. Obviously it's not a haul this time, but it is a video on how to achieve this look as well as an outfit that I'm going to put together. So I'm very excited to show you guys the overall look. I'm basically going from basic to baddie. That's it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate you for getting me to 1k. And not only 1k, as it currently stands, I'm on 1.6. Can you believe it? I was literally on 900 the other day. But guys, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for this look and let me know what you guys think of the outfit, the look, everything. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I get from this a basic look. As you can see, I'm not looking very cute, quite basic, got the headscarf on, I'm looking like one auntie. It's not going to work, no. To this, yes, now this is what I'm talking about. I am serving looks. I am looking like a snack.
Tell me how you feel. I feel like the grass is green.
Guys, my skin has been breaking out so much recently and I just don't understand why, but I'm just gonna get it together for the sake of this video. But I'm currently using this ordinary primer. I think it's called Natural Moisturizing Primer, and just applying that all over my face. I'm going in with my Lancome foundation. This is my holy grail. I love this foundation so much. So yeah, I'm just using my Morphe brush to just blend that in. So I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer to highlight underneath my eyes and the other areas. So my upper lip, my chin, bridge of my nose, just a tiny bit. I leave that to just set a bit, and then I go in with my cream contour, my cheekbones, my tiny forehead. And yeah guys, I actually don't have a forehead. It's so sad because I don't really have much space to work with, but we move.
Me love it when you pull over for me. Me love it when you bend over for me. Me love it when you pull over for me. Me love it when you bend over for me. Me bag and me shoe. Deal with some loose. You got me confused. The way I'm gonna put it on you. Come girl, now follow me. This is where you wanna be. Caressing all over me. I know your body's calling me, yeah. Oh my, she's so fine. I'm losing my mind. This feeling inside. Come and give it to me all night.
So here I'm just applying a bit of my Revolution concealer. I'm going in with my brush just to blend out that contour.
Please don't stop. It's lit, come on, stay over. I want it, yeah, I want it, yeah.
Loving it, puffing it. Pass me the weed, girl, I want you right after it. I just wanna get high, forget why. I see you on my left side, you so fine. Come true, girl, I want you, I lie. This your girl that I'm on to.
Now I'm just blending in the Revolution concealer that I applied previously.
I don't want you, I just want to. I just wanna fall your way. I'ma show you in the bedroom. Jump on my wave, yeah.
What I do is I get the same foundation brush that I use to apply my foundation, and I literally just go in with that just to make sure everything is smooth, make sure the finish is just seamless and perfect. Now I'm taking that cream contour and just applying a tiny bit on my nose. I don't like to contour my nose too much. I really like it to be subtle. Don't like doing the most. So yeah, I'm just blending that out and just dragging it up. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Revolution what's it called, baking powder. And yeah guys, I need to get the Laura Mercier or Huda Beauty baking powder because I am really tired of this. I'm tired. But yeah, I just bake all the areas that I highlighted. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer and just literally bronzing the areas that I contoured with the cream contour. So now I'm going in with my holy grail. This is the MAC Mineralise Skin Finish in dark, and I'm just using that to set all the areas that I highlighted, just making sure everything just blends well, you know.
Bend over, girl, bend over. I want it, girl, please don't stop. It's late, come on, stay over. I love it, girl, I love it when you bend over, girl, bend over. I want it, girl, please don't stop. It's late, come on, stay over. I want it, girl, I want it.
So as you can see, my eyebrows are done, and I'm literally just going in with the concealer just to set the base for my eyeshadow. And I'm using this orange eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette, I believe. I'm just literally just tapping that onto my eyelids. So I go in with this yellow shade as a transition color just to blend out the orange, and it just makes everything look so sunsetty, if you know what I mean. So I stuck my lashes on off camera. I'm just putting the two eyeshadows I placed on my lids under my waterline. I'm going with the Revolution blush palette. I'm using two shades, mixing it together, just placing that on.
It's late, come on, stay over. I want it, yeah, I want it, yeah.
Now I'm using this Morphe highlighter. Yeah, I'm just applying that on. Just letting you know, for my lips, I'm very, very, very simple, like the simplest. I literally just use a brown lip liner, just use that for the outline of my lips, and then I go in with like a little pink lip gloss. Don't even remember where that's from, I'm not gonna lie. And then I go with my Hair Shop lip gloss just to add it, just to make it more glossy. And that's basically it. Time to take off this scarf and reveal my edges, and I'm really loving this hair, guys. Wait, how can I almost forget? I need to set my face. So I'm going in with this Morphe setting spray. I feel like this just completes the look, regardless of if I'm going out or not. Just completes the look.
Over, girl, bend over. I want it, girl, please don't stop. It's late, come on, stay over. I love it,
Outfit time.
Tell me how you feel.
Tell me how you feel.
I feel like the grass is green, and everything I...
So let's talk about this corset top, guys. I'm in love with this top. It is from Pretty Little Thing, and I've showed you guys this top in my previous haul. It is amazing. If it's still available on the site, I will put the link in the description bar below. But yeah, I'm loving this top. I love the balloon sleeves. I'm just in love. So on my bottom half, I'm wearing these leggings. They're called the Black High Waist Crepe leggings, and they're from Rebellious Fashion. I'm really loving these leggings as well. I love the fit of them, and of course I had to pair this up with my yellow mules. These mules are getting worn everywhere during summer. I love them. So guys, I'm serving you monochrome with a pop of color. I'm really loving this look. As you can see, I was really feeling myself.
for me. We love it when you bend over for me. We love it when you pull over for me. We love it when you bend over for me. Me bag and this shit. Deal with some lips. You got me confused. The way I'm gonna put it on you.